Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be doing this simple polygel look. I'm also going to be testing the actual durability of polygel throughout these weeks. So I've already prepped my nails and these are the tips that I'm using. I like these tips because they give me a really crisp coffin shape that I like. I will be using the Gershon polygel and I'm going to be using the colors white and color pink. First, I'm going to start by using the base gel. This is so the nails can stay and they won't just pop off. I don't use primer and dehydrator, mostly because I don't have it, but I've never used it and I don't really have a problem with the nails popping off from my finger. Before I show the application of the polygel, I do want to note that when I have used white polygels, there is a trend that the white doesn't normally cure all the way, or it takes a very long time to cure. So what I recommend, which is I have done and it has worked, is you want to mix your white polygel with clear polygel so it'll cure faster and it won't be as tacky. Then you're going to cure your base gel for 60 seconds. Now is the polygel application. You're going to take a small bead, or however to your liking. It doesn't need to be that big because it is the tip, but you're going to take a small bead of white or your white and clear mixture of polygel, which I highly recommend, and you're going to just pat it and brush it to the shape that you would like. And once again, I use alcohol as my slip solution. I get my alcohol from Dollar Tree because it only costs $1 and I'm only using it for my nails. After you have it shaped how you like it, you're going to go ahead and take your brush and you're going to just kind of blend out the bottom of the polygel before you cure it. I would say you're going to cure under the light for 60 seconds, but like I said, the white takes a longer time to cure, so I had to do each nail individually for 60 seconds in addition to putting my whole hand under there for 2 minutes. It took a pretty long time, and when they came out they were still tacky, so I had to wipe it off with alcohol so I wouldn't be fouling the tacky parts of the polygel. And this is what they looked like after the struggle. Also, when I did each nail individually, I had to put it real close to a light to make sure that it cured faster. But anyways, we're going to start with the cover pink. Now you want to take a small bead, and put it near your cuticle, not too close because you are going to try to make that clean. Then you're going to pat it to your liking around your cuticle, how you like it, and from sidewall to sidewall, how you like it, and make it as thick as you like it, however you want to do it. Once you finish placing your cover pink at the bottom, you're going to blend it around the middle. Again, like I did with the white. I have a zoom in clip to see what that kind of looks like. And then once you finish that, you are going to cure your hand under the light for 60 seconds. This one doesn't take as long as the white. Once you finish shaping and buffing and filing, you can put over a clear coat of polygel. I chose not to, but this is what my nails look like after I went off camera and filed, shaped, and buffed. Next, I'm going to be doing the top coat, and you do not need a lot of top coat because you will use more than you realize. Once you finish putting on all the top coat, you're going to just go ahead and clean around your fingers. Make sure you get the top coat off of your skin. Then cure that under the lamp for 60 seconds. Once you finish curing, you're going to go ahead and put oil on your cuticles and massage that into your cuticles, and that is it. Then you go outside and have a photo shoot with your hands. And that is it. Like I said, I'm also going to be using this to test the actual durability of Polygel. So within the few weeks, I'll be giving like weekly updates on how my nails held up. But this is the finished look. I really do love how these came out. I really love how these came out. But yeah, that is all for this video. You know, watch all my other videos. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. That is linked in the description and in my channel bio. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the bell, and leave a comment down below. I would love to know your thoughts and suggestions. Thanks for watching.